to Cooking Up Fun. Today I'm going to show you two recipes that my family loves. They are also popular in China. The first is green onion pancakes. These are a delicious snack or addition to a meal. To make our dough, we will start by sifting 1.5 cups flour into a medium bowl. Then mix in the salt. Next, slowly pour into the flour 1/2 cup of hot water and then knead the dough until it is no longer sticky and becomes smooth, about 10 minutes. Now that our dough is mixed, we're going to cover it with a damp towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. While it's resting, I'm going to show you our next recipe, easy almond jelly. This almond jelly is a simple to make traditional Chinese treat that is so fun to make and eat. In a pot over medium heat, gently stir 1/2 cup water with 1/4 cup sugar and 1 1/4 cups whole milk until the sugar is dissolved. Turn off heat and add 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin, stirring thoroughly. Remove from heat and stir in 2 teaspoons almond extract. Pour it into an 8-inch pan and cover. Refrigerate for 3 hours or until firm. Now that our dough has rested, we're going to add some chopped green onions and mix well. Once the green onions are mixed in, roll the dough out into a long log. Then divide the dough into about 10 equal pieces. Roll each piece of dough into a ball. Working with one ball at a time, roll the dough into a super thin disc, using enough flour to keep them from sticking to your surface. Brush each disc with oil, then roll into a cylinder. Coil each cylinder into a ball and then roll out into a thin disc again. When you have all your pieces ready, heat up about 1/4 inch of oil in a pan over medium heat. Fry each side for a minute or two until golden brown. Repeat for all the dough, adding a bit of oil if necessary. These would be good recipes for Chinese New Year coming up in February. If you want more cooking fun, check out my other videos. Click to subscribe and see you next time on Cooking Up Fun. That is so good.